Welcome back. A new protocol is like a language. It only works if everyone agrees to speak it. In this lesson, we are going to look at who is speaking MCP and what tools you can use right now. In short, the answer is the adoption is moving very fast. MCP was open sourced by Anthropic, but it is not just for cloud. It is an open standard for connecting AI agent. So we can see the editor support tools like Cursor, JED, Replit have integrated MCP to let their AI coding assistant to read your local files and database directly. And on the server ecosystem, the community has already built hundreds of the servers. You can find ready to use MCP server for AWS, Stripe, Slack, GitHub, Google Drives, Airbnb. Even browser automation tools are also present as MCP server. We are seeing shift where MCP compatibility is becoming a requirement for modern AI tools. This means you often don't even have to write the server yourself. You can just plug in existing one, which is exactly what we explore in later in this course. So the ecosystem is ready, the tools are there, and the community is growing very fast. That's wrap up our look at the ecosystem. You now have a high level of context needed to understand where MCP fit in the AI landscape. Let's take a moment to solidify what we have learned. More in the core concept module, we covered the definition. MCP is the standard protocol that is like USB-C for connecting AIs to different data sources and tools. Then we discussed the problem it solves. It solves the fragmentation issue, allowing you to build connector once and use it everywhere. So once you build a MCP server of any external APIs or tools, any MCP complaint client can connect to it. Third, we discussed the ecosystem. We saw the major players like Replit, JED, Cursor, VS Code, Google's, Microsoft, everyone already onboarded along with the massive library of community servers. You now understand why it is the time to move to how. So in the next module, we are going to deep technical. We will break down the architecture, look at the message flow, and understand the difference between different transport mechanisms, local STDIO or streamable STTP. So take a quick break and I will see you in next module.